I'm Trenius Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Whew. This is like the, I think this is like the freaking 10th take I've did to start this video off, but that's only because I had some Japanese food, man. Oh my God, I had like some avocado salad, and then I had some, it was called Scream at Me sushi. Had salmon in it or whatever. It had salmon in it and rice on it, of course, on the backside of the rice, you know, and it was like really different. It had mayonnaise on top of it, and it had like this little cheese stuff. And y'all know how the sushi people do to the Japanese people. You know, they be spraying the sushi with the flame. And I seen it, I was like, you know, I'm just now starting to eat healthy like the past 2 years. I just was like, he was like, you see? So that kind of was fascinating to me. But man, I ate that, and now it's like I cannot get this burp out. I've been trying to burp for so long, and I cannot burp. So how many takes does it take to actually get this video off track? How to use the law of attraction for money, folks. It's the same way we've been law of attracting everything else around us, folks. You got to detach from thinking about money. Now, I'm gonna tell you something very important that you got to do to really start attracting money into your life. First of all, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about me and how I be attracting money into my life. Folks, have you ever just, you know, started attracting money into your life because you just find yourself spending it all the time? Like you just always spending money. You just, you know, for some strange reason, you don't even think about how much money you got in your bank account. You scared to look at the bank account. You don't even want to look at the bank account. You're like, I'm good. I can feel it's good. How you know you got money? I can feel it. I know what my spending limit is. Talk to me like that. You know, you can just feel it. You know what I'm saying? And so my feeling level has been very high lately. And I just been spending. And so when I went and got my bank statement, I was like, wow, I actually made this much money. Like I didn't even know I had made that much money. You know what I mean? And so that's what I'm saying, folks. What you have to do, and what I was always doing was, I've been keeping my mind detached from worried about, you know, getting money. But at the same time, I be eager to have it. You know, it's a weird thing to really understand. You have to know that you want money, but at the same time, you can't always go around acting like you uptight with your money. Like you can't be like so tight that you be like, I ain't giving you 50 cents. The person outside the restaurant asked, Sir, I just want to ask you one question. All right, man, I got 50 cents right here, because one thing you got to realize is that the universe, there are laws in the universe, and everything that you put out, you give back. So if you putting out good signals, like, you know, I rightfully deserve money. If you don't even got to say this stuff, but I rightfully deserve money. Money is always around me. That's how I be thinking when I be walking all around everywhere I go. I be like, you know, I am money. Like I keep thinking it in my mind. Realm team members, speak up, let your voice be heard. Y'all know what y'all be saying. I am money. I am money. It ain't money gotta come. It ain't we gotta go make money. We are money. Walk around thinking like you $100 bill or something. You know, just walk around thinking like you a big stack of money. You know, you bundles. You know, you bankrolls. You have to create this reality that you are the head honcho of your reality. And folks, people can feel that energy coming off of you. Like if you're like a rich person, I don't even know what a rich person is like, but if you're a rich person out there, you got a lot of money. Don't people be acting funny when you go around them because they know you're a rich person? Exactly. And you don't even have to have the like Gucci stuff on, or the Fendi or the Prada, nothing like that. It's just the way your energy is. Like when you get around certain people and you have this money mindset, it's like they treat you different. It's like they start taking the clothes off their back. You know, they gonna try to, sir, do you want this? People are attracted to abundance and prosperity. So folks, this is how you actually use the law of attraction to manifest money. You have to detach from being worried like most people are in our society. They worried about every crumb and every little dollar they spend. You even got people, don't get me wrong, got that, no offense to you if you're a REM team member, you do this, saving up coupons. Yeah, that's $1. Yeah, that's $1. Whole bundle of coupons going to the grocery store. The person at the cash register is like, here she go again. Got all them coupons. She got 1,000 coupons. Like, golly, she always coming here with so much coupons, because she is in fear that if she doesn't have coupons, then she's not gonna be able to save money. You can save money just by using your energy properly, folks. You can feel money. Don't you feel when your pockets is low? Don't you feel when your pockets is like super duper low and your kids be trying to ask you for some bubble gum or some chapstick? Don't you say nothing when you go in this store. Don't you say a word. You know, we're gonna go in here, we're gonna go get what we gotta get, and we're gonna get up out of here. Don't go, when we go down this street, don't say you want no McDonald's. I got food at home. Folks, that's how you have to think in order to attract this money, man. I just attracted a check. I just attracted a check like 2 days ago, folks. You know how I did it? Because I was just setting, like, you know, I was just in my everyday lower mindset sometimes. You know, we all get in our lower mindset sometimes, but most of the time I'm in my high mindset. Most of the times I'm in my higher consciousness self, where I'm always thinking positive, but sometimes you just come back down and you just be like, how am I gonna pay these bills? How am I gonna make this happen? Like, how am I really gonna do this? But then you just come back up a little bit, you crack that smile, you be like, I got it. I still got it. Yeah, I'm getting money. I'm getting money now. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. You start back talking to God again. You be like, God, you got this, don't you? I know you got this. I know you got it. You always been there, had me. You know, you always had my back. You know, it's just like it's the both of ours. You know, you know. And then next thing you know, I was in that mindset for like what, 24 hours, 48 hours. You know, like I'm always in that mindset. And then next thing you know, I get a phone call. I got a check. You know what? I ain't even gonna celebrate. I ain't even gonna celebrate because you know why? When you celebrate something like that, you start to act as though you don't normally get it. You see what I'm saying? So that's what this is all about, folks. Let's get serious here. That's what this is all about. If this video resonates with you, give me a thumbs up, folks. Speak up, let your voice be heard. I want to hear from you. Are you gonna be attracting money? I am money. It's all about detaching. It's all about detaching from that worried state of consciousness that you're not gonna get money, you're not gonna be able to make money. Folks, if you work and you have a regular job, stop thinking about the money. Stop thinking about, oh, I gotta go get this much hours to get this much money. See, so many people drive themselves crazy and never really have any money at the end of the day. Like, I know people that work like 100,000 hours in overtime, but they still broke. How you gonna be working hundreds of hours of overtime every week, but every time I ask you for some money, you can't even give me $20? You know what I'm saying? And so what you have to do is just always keep in your mind that you got other things to worry about. Stop worrying about the money all the time. Live life, be happy, radiate love, radiate positive energy, and money will just come to you if you take yourself out of that mindset, folks. That's a low poverty-stricken mindset when people walk around and always think about how they're gonna make money and how they don't have no money, you know, and they have to brag to you about how much money they got. That's a lower vibration mindset because these people are in the fear that they gonna lose their money, because they never had any really big money, and it's just that they're always, you know, on their heels searching for money. The world is abundant. You know, abundance is in everything, not just money. Money is just an energy exchange to give us back what we put out. You gotta put out positive vibes, folks. This is how you attract money to you. Positive vibes, smile at people, be happy. Y'all know that stuff sounds simple, but that's what's really gonna get you the money. Trust and believe. And the key, the number one key at the end of the day to really get you all the money is creating a mentality that says to yourself, you're not worried about the money because you know the money is gonna show up, it's gonna come. You have to really walk in that mentality if you want money to attract to you, folks. Trust me, it works. I get money every day of my life, ever since I realized this secret law of attraction on how to get money, folks. It really works. Trust me. And it's gonna really work for you if you confirm it for yourself right now by pressing thumbs up. You gotta confirm it. You gotta write it down, confirm it some kind of way, folks, so that your mind can remember that you've confirmed it, okay? We gotta set it in stone. So anyway, folks, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. Make sure you subscribe. Speak up, let your voice be heard, folks. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.